Microwave Monday! I came as soon as I heard. Microwave in a sealed container, sort of sealed. This is a safety container. Let's just start small with something easy. How about glow sticks? I've actually done glow sticks before, but never this many or this many. When you heat them up in a microwave, the chemical reaction heats up as well, and they start glowing brighter. Let's find out. Oh, look how cool it looks. Let's find out how much brighter. Let's do it for 1 minute. Oh, it's on! Now, glow sticks are one thing you do kind of want to be careful with, because sometimes if you heat them too much, they can melt or explode.
Are you kidding me? I gotta see what to do, ding-a-ling. Not to mention, it's all over your awesome shirt.
That'll come out.
What you do with a beautiful shirt on and get it in your eyes.
Okay, and breakfast is ready. Let's go check it out, see what we got. Ooh, we are glowing more. Oh yeah, you know what? How warm are these? Barely warm. 2 minutes? I definitely hear things popping in there. I think we got some action. Going in. There's stuff draining down the walls. Oh, it smells really bad in here too. This is how people die. Oh, don't breathe. Oh yeah. Half of them are exploded. First test went well. Let's try one more thing. A motorcycle helmet. This actually is an extra small, so this is a kid-size motorcycle helmet, I guess, or like a tiny person. But it's a real motorcycle helmet. We're gonna put it in a microwave for, I don't know, 5 minutes and see what happens. I assume it's just gonna melt. 5 minutes. Microwave Monday is one of those things that does not make sense. There's really no point to it. And I want you guys to embrace that. You guys let me know what you want to see melted, exploded, whatever on Microwave Monday. They don't have to have a good reason for doing it. Like a helmet. It may do nothing, but the world needs to know what happens when you put a motorcycle helmet in a microwave and let it rip. Definitely smell a little melting plastic. It smells so bad. Oh yeah. We're just gonna let that air out a little bit. Oh man, that smells bad. Oh, it's stuck to the plate. Oh. So it actually did not melt the outside like well, it did a little bit. It started bubbling it. It mostly just melted the styrofoam on the inside. Oh, it smells so bad. Still may protect you. It's so beautiful. If you're interested, we do have those on the website. Link in description below. Microwave Mondays are back for a limited time. Let me know if you guys like them. I just kind of got a wild hair and wanted to give your Monday a great start. We may do a couple more. This probably won't be a permanent thing, but people have been asking for 50 Cal Friday and Microwave Monday, and here we are. So this one's for you, Demolition. Thanks for watching Demolition Ranch. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Contact! That's a great idea. What about the quad hop? Bobby. I'm a doctor. Ish.